Hey everybody, Phil Bridges, and it's review time. I got a new tripod, so we're going to do a review on it. It's the Viltrox VX M18 tripod. It retails for $139 on Amazon Prime. I'll put a link in the description below. If you're interested in it, you can click on it. Alright, this is the Viltrox VX 18M tripod. It comes with a carrying case, nice padded carrying case. This tripod weighs about 9 pounds. I bought it. It's a camcorder tripod, so it can hold a little bit more weight than your standard camera one. I think this holds up to about, I want to say 13 pounds, 13.2 pounds, something like that. They say it will hold more, but I look around and I keep getting different weights on it. So I hear from 13 pounds up to like 22 pounds, but it's a pretty stout tripod anyways. So I could see probably holding 22 pounds. All right, this tripod is built, the legs are aluminum. Pretty much everything is metal. The hinges are metal. The clamps are, just the knobs are plastic, but everything else is pretty much metal or aluminum. It's got, let me tighten this back up real quick. It's got horseshoe feet for stability. That's really nice. So if you're on unlevel terrain, you can, it'll help you level it out better. And then it has these nice, you can flip down, I'm gonna do this. You can flip down the feet, flip down the feet, and they have spikes. So, depending on the terrain you're on, you can really get into the soil or whatever you have it on. All right, now extended all the way down. There are three tiers to this. It is about 33 inches. This is the height, and it'll go maximum to 74 inches. So I like in here in the middle, it has this bracket. It's metal, it's not plastic. There's not a lot of plastic on it. They're basically kind of like, just like I said, the knobs, that's pretty much plastic. Everything else is metal or aluminum. Okay, so to open this up, all you have to do is undo the clamps, and this will extend out. Then all you do is tighten them up. Then it's extended out, and it's still not fully extended out. I only have it on the first tier, but I'm going to extend it back down so you guys can see what's going on. It's kind of hard to do this on table. Probably should have done it on the floor. Alright, tighten those back up. Okay, so the head is, well, let's talk about, let's talk about the head. The head's a 360 degree head, so you can pan 360 degrees. It's good for sporting events, anything like that. Just right here it unlocks, and it's fluid, so you get a nice smooth action. Just, it doesn't take much to get it moving. And what's nice is if you are not on level terrain, it does in the back have a little level, and it'll tell you if you're level or not. And if you don't have it level, you don't have to readjust the legs. There is just a ball valve here that you can adjust the head and make sure it is level, and you can get it done really quick. I like that. I like that feature. And you know, remember, this is only $139. This is I think it's a really good deal for $139. For even, you know, it's basically a basic beginner tripod, but I think it's a lot more than that. I think it could be used professionally, or even like a backup tripod if you really had to. It has a quick release for your camera, which is nice. Just hit this red button and it slides out, and then all you do is you pop it in and it'll hold it in place. And then there is also another lock on this side that you can move the quick release forward or backwards, and then you can really lock it in place. It has a setup for, you know, if you want to mount a monitor or anything on the side, you can do that, you know, so you don't have to have it mounted to the camera. This panning arm, you can take it off and it can go on the right or left side. It doesn't matter which side you have it on. You know, I like that they give you the option to do that. Some tripods you can only have it on one side, and some people are left-handed and it works better that way. So you can put it on this side. You know, it just gives you versatility, and I think that you need that in a tripod. You gotta be able to have all the options. All right, so like I said, this is a fluid head, and also you can tilt the head forward 90 degrees, all the way 90 degrees, and then look at that, just pops right back. It's pretty well balanced. And then you can tilt it back. Back gives you about 80 degrees, 75 to 80 degrees. Some people say you can only get about 75 degrees. And that also is fluid too, so you know, it all moves really nice. I know my older tripods, it's just, you know, you loosen the clamp and you gotta mess with it. You know, the camera wants to, if you're not holding on to the arm, the camera's just gonna fall. So, you know, this is really nice. This is a big upgrade. I have a really nice tripod, but it's old and it doesn't have the features that this does, so this is actually an upgrade. You know, some may say it's not, but to me it is, because I like that fluid head. I like to be able to, you know, do a lot of painting and slowly doing it where, you know, I don't have to, you know, I don't have to have my hand moving it as much, where it's effortless here and you don't get jerkiness, because, you know, I know when I try doing it without this fluid head, it's jerking all around, and that's just me because I move it fast and stuff, and this kind of makes me have to do it slower. All right, I'm going to extend this tripod fully out to its 774 inches, and we're going to get a nice look at it. All right, let's extend this the Viltrox VX 18M out. All right, we're going to loosen up these clamps up top. All right, that's only the first stage that are extended out, and right now you can almost use it at your normal height. And what I like is how this is, it can go 74 inches, so it can get really high, so you can get your high shots. That's really nice feature, really nice. All right, so we're gonna loosen these. We're gonna loosen these legs. We're gonna pull these up. All right. Now look how high this is. 74 inches. That's not too bad. That's pretty sturdy. Yeah, I like that. That's really stout. You know, you can't see the level. Make sure you're level, but that's not too bad. All right. I don't think I probably will hardly use it at this height, I might, you know, you never know. Never say never, right? All right, so we're gonna extend these back down. And what's nice is they send you in the kit a 3 little clips that, so when you do fold this up, you can clip the legs together. You can clip those legs together and it'll keep the tripod from extending out. All right, they give you these little clips. Nothing fancy. They're just plastic clips, but they give them to you so if you fold up the tripod, you can clip them. And I only grabbed one, but that's not coming apart. You know, it's really nice to have. Just leave them on your tripod and then you just clip them. So when you pick it up, your tripod just doesn't go like this all over the place. You know, that's a little nice feature. You know, it's plastic. I kind of wish it was metal, but it would probably scratch up the metal and everything like that. All right, so this is the Viltrox VX 18M. It's $139 on Amazon. I highly recommend you getting it if you're new to photography, videography, or whatnot. It's a great tripod for starting out, or even as a backup tripod, or you use it, you know, as your main tripod. So I'm Philip Bridges. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell. If you like this video, hit the like button. Leave any comments if you have any questions about it. And I will talk to you later.